Hello, welcome and welcome back to Python Basics series. So we are still on operators. So previously we had talked about the assignment operators. So now on the assignment operator, now we are going to talk about the comparison. Now we are going to talk about the comparison operators. So definitely these are quite the things that you understand. It's just that we are doing it in a programmatically way. So definitely a comparison of parameter is like when you say you are given a value. Let's say you are given a value x. Let's define a variable x. We give it as 5. Then variable y, we give it 2. And then you're told to compare the two. X is greater than y. So we are comparing. X is greater than y. So we are going to output true or false. Is it true or is it not true? So that's what we are going to do. We're going to see whether value x is greater than y, value x is less than or equal to y, like that. So the equal operator is the same as equals, like that. So we are going to print x equals y, and see what it does. Equals means the two values are equal. If the two values are not equal, it's going to print false. X is not the same as y. That's what the equal sign means. Equal to. X is not equal to y. So, sorry, this is how it means. The equal operator means x is equal to y. So it's going to print true if x is equal to y. Else it's going to print false because x is not equal to y. So let's see. So let's run that. Python parameters false because x is not equal to y. So now let's compare. Let's compare 3 is equals to, let's say y. 2 is equals to y. That, let's compare that. You see, 2 is equal to y, which is 2. So the two numbers are equal. You see, so that's how it goes. Right, you can still compare strings. For example, let's define a string and call this string name, and we are going to compare name. Print, going to compare Bill with Bill. Are they equal? I don't think so. Are you? So let's see whether the two names are equal. True or false? That's false because this one, the bid and bid is not the same. You can see this one is someone's name, but for this one bid, it's like the bills we pay. They are not equal, and they are not equal because of the first letters of their name. This one is uppercase, this one is small case. So you can just do that. That's the equal is equal to operator. So let's now go to not equal. For example, now here we can print equals true. For x is not equal. This is the symbol for not equal to y. So this one is going to print true. This one is going to print true because x and y are not equal. But if now we print the like we did 2 is not equal to y, it's going to print false because they are equal. So that's how it goes. So you just need to understand the symbol, the sign for not equal. So the other one is greater than, which you already know. X is greater than y. That's true because x is equals to 5, y is equals to 2. So x is greater than y. So definitely that's true. Same. So you go to greater than or equal to. So less than is written as this, like that. Greater than or equal to it's written like that. So let's do this one. Print, you can say x is greater than or equal to y. That's true because x is greater than. For greater than or equal to means it will only print true whenever the value of x is greater than y or x is equals to y. So any number that's below y, I mean any number that is not equal the y number, if y number is not equal to x or it's not greater than x value, it's going to print false. That means 5 is greater than or equal to equal to 2. So that's true. So it's going to print true. CV. So let's say x is 5 and now y is 5. It's going to print true. And now say x is 5 and y is equals to 6. So this is how it goes. X is greater than. So let's just imply here so that you understand. 5 is greater than or equal to 2. That's true. The other thing is 5 is greater than or equal to 5. That's true. Because they are equal, this side. So the number has to be greater than or equal to. Get it? So the other one is 5 is greater than or equal to 6. That's false. The two numbers are not equal. The two numbers are not equal and 5 is not greater than 6. So that's how it goes. So let's comment out on this so that you can see it clearly. True, true, false. So that's how it goes. Same case applies to less than or equal to. So that's how it just equates. So and now that's all for the comparison operators. They are quite simple. So I hope you understood each and everything. And see you in the next video. We are going to talk about the multiple operators. Thank you.